Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you and explain to you exactly the methods that you're going to use CoinGecko for if you can deposit or withdraw. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, if you want to know from the direct answer, no, you cannot deposit or withdraw on CoinGecko. CoinGecko is mainly a mainframe for you to watch all the latest and the newest trends of cryptocurrencies in real time with the most amount of accuracy. So as you can see from here, there are all the cryptocurrencies that we have in the buy market cap. And so for example, if we check something like Ethereum, then it's going to tell us all the details to view this coin. Last 24 hours, 7 days, 1 month, 3 months, or 1 year, and everything around that. And as you can see here, you can see the Ethereum treasury holidays and all the people that are holding it with the most amount. So over a million Ethereum, that value is at $13 million, or sorry, 13 trillion. Anyways, so from here you can see all the details that you might need. And so there's one for cryptocurrencies, one for exchanges to know all about the crypto exchanges such as the blockchains, for Binance, MEAX, OKX, Phantom, Bank, everything you want. And so NFTs, if anyone still uses it, and learn and everything. And so from the learn section, you can actually find a lot of great information. And research insights can actually tell you about future investments for cryptocurrency so you can stay ahead of the game. And that's pretty much it. It's a great tool, great useful software and website. Use it to keep up. And thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.